right now we have this. And we have a VCR DVD combo. Here's the informations. Made in Korea. Nice. It's from 2002. Here's the connections for DVD and VCR. Component for DVD only. Digital audio out. Still has the plug for the optical audio. The cord is on the top. That's weird. Gotta plug it in now. Made a little hum noise. Here we go. Load. That sounds atrocious. Anyway, here's some of the tapes I got. These three right here. This one has a General Electric tape in it. Don't know who made those. This one looks really familiar. I think we had this at the old house. We got that one. Show you what's on this one. NASCAR highlights. That'll be cool. Here's what's in it though. General Electric. I wonder what company made these for GE. Jamming the buttons down. It's not working. I'm an idiot. I think you noticed that already. I'm an idiot. Focus. Okay, I think it's gonna work now. Yes, of course it works. See a bit of oxide right there, the brown. That's how 12-volt vids does it. He's been in the business for over 40 years, so I trust his advice. So right there by the pinch roller, there's a bit of fluff. I got this, and it wakes it up. It turns it on by itself. Okay, we're going to test out the RF modulator. Okay, we're all set up. When I come back, we'll get the test going. What the hell? Wow, you can see it on camera, but this up, I can't see it all. It's just flashy. Yeah, like that. Yeah, something's not right. Look at that, though. Is there like a tracking control? Hold on. Hey, would you look at that? The Simon Phillips tape's working. This one's working. What's up with the other ones, though?
VCI Music Video. The first in instructional music video. We set the standard.
Here's one of the other recorded tapes I got. Wait, am I breaking the law by showing this on YouTube? Oh, okay. Well, I'm wearing Hanes. Might digitize this. Actually, I'm going to digitize everything. That one's on YouTube in 1080p. Nothing wrong watching it in VHS like it used to be. I mean, like it was in the beginning. Well, that's it for the Samsung DVD VCR combo. Next will be a laptop video, so look out for that.